Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Mozilla Firefox browser is refusing to play a video and displaying the media error source not supported error, it means the browser cannot load the media file due to an unsupported format, a missing system codec, or a blocked source script. I will show you exactly how to adjust your extensions and system features to fix this right now. Let's get started. First, the most common cause of this specific error in Firefox is strict privacy extensions actively blocking the video's source script from loading. Click the puzzle piece icon or your extensions menu in the top right corner. Temporarily disable any active ad blockers such as uBlock Origin, Ghostery, or DuckDuckGo Privacy Essentials by toggling them off. Refresh the web page, and if the video plays successfully, you simply need to whitelist that specific website in your extension settings. Next, your browser might be trying to load a corrupted or outdated video file from its temporary storage. Open Firefox, click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and select Settings. Navigate to Privacy and Security on the left side, scroll down to the Cookies and Site Data section, and click Clear Data. Ensure both cookies and cached web content are checked, click Clear, and restart your browser to force a fresh connection. Finally, if the video still refuses to play and you are using an N or KN edition of Windows, your operating system is entirely missing the required multimedia codecs. Open your Windows settings, go to System, select Optional Features, and click View or Edit Optional Feature. Search exactly for Media Feature Pack, install it, and completely restart your computer. This provides Firefox with the core audio and video decoding libraries it needs to actually render the media. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.